Anant Ambani tied the knot with Radhika Merchant. The wedding has been nothing short of a grand celebration, spanning several days featuring performances by pop stars, star-studded guest list and traditional Hindu rituals. अब बेटे की शादी थी तो पिता का इमोशनल होना तो बनता ही है, as मुकेश अंबानी ने बहुत ही हार्टफुल स्पीच डिलीवर करी थी अनंत और राधिका के लिए. To know all the details, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. अंबानी फैमिली ने होस्ट की थी एक स्पेशल ब्लेसिंग सेरेमनी फॉर द फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर्स ताकि वो अपने वार्म विशेस कन्वे कर सके टू द न्यूलीवेड्स. मुकेश अंबानी, चेयरमैन ऑफ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज, extended his warm wishes to the newlyweds Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. The couple's exclusive wedding reception was held at Jio World Drive in Mumbai. In a touching speech, Mukesh Ambani expressed gratitude to the guests who gathered to celebrate the couple's union. But it was his words for the household staff and Reliance employees that resonated deeply. आप सबके finally most important, आप सबके शुभ आशीर्वाद ब्लेसिंग्स, आपकी शुभकामनाएं हमारे राधिका और अनंत के साथ रहे जैसे ये अपनी नई जिंदगी शुरू करने जाते हैं, अपना नया परिवार बनाना जाते हैं. He said, he further added, मैं चाहता हूँ कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण की ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ आप सबकी गुड विशेस और वार्म विशेस के साथ उनका जीवन सुखमय रहे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Pre-wedding revelries included a lavish Mediterranean cruise featuring performances by Katy Perry, Andrea Bocelli and the Backstreet Boys. Justin Bieber also took the stage at one of the earlier parties. However, the main event, the wedding, took place at the Jio World Convention Center. Earlier in March, the Ambanis also served dinner to 51,000 villagers in Jamnagar. The wedding rituals included exchanging garlands and Saat Feras began on Friday and continued post-midnight. The celebrations took place at the Ambani-owned Jio World Convention Center in Mumbai and the family home. The guest list featured global celebrities, business tycoons and politicians, former British Prime Minister Tony Blair and Boris Johnson, John Kerry, former US Special Envoy for Climate, Saudi Aramco CEO Amin H. Nasser, reality TV star Kim and Khloe Kardashian, and professional wrestler and Hollywood actor John Cena were among the notable guests. Kardashians even rode a motorized rickshaw through bustling Mumbai streets before joining the wedding ceremonies. Well, ये पहली बार नहीं था कि अंबानीज ने इतनी lavish wedding करी हो, as in 2018 their daughter Isha's nuptials to Anant Piramal featured a performance by Beyonce and staggering price tag of $83.8 million. Meanwhile, their other son Akash married Shloka Mehta in 2019, with Coldplay providing the musical backdrop. Clearly, when it comes to celebrating love, the Ambanis spare no expense. Well, आपको क्या लगता है अंबानी वेडिंग्स के बारे में और आपको कैसी लगी मुकेश अंबानी की heartfelt speech? Do let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.